Let's do the unboxing of the amazing Batwing of 1989. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here. I have the Batwing 1989 movie with Michael Keaton, Jack Nicholson and Kim Basinger. And I have also the Batmobile here, so I think this will be a great addition to the Batmobile as a display. And looking at the picture here, there are a few things I want to show you on the box before I open it, and one will knock your socks off, I promise. So 2,363 pieces. Lego says 18 plus, but I'm not so sure. I think anybody of 14 or 15 years of age could do this set. This is of course DC Comics, not Marvel. A lot of people get that wrong. Batman is DC Comics. So let me grab my side camera and I'll show you here the details of the box. And this is the back over here. We have the front of the box here and the back here. So I want to show you what comes in the set. We have the three characters here: Batman, the Joker, and his assistant. I forgot his name, the guy with the mustache. They show here on the stand. They show the size here, 30 centimeters long by 25 centimeters. And this is here what I was saying here. Look at that. You can mount the model on a wall. Like, this is very cool. And nothing special on the size. As you can see here, we have the Batman here face on the side. And here we have the ship or the airplane. I'm not sure what to call it. And here we have the Batman wing here. Sorry, it's upside down. Now that we saw the box in details, let me open it, and I'll move my Batmobile on the side just like that to make a bit more room. And we'll open this side over here. It's always so exciting, guys, when you open a box of Lego. I don't know about you, but I get crazy. So what do we have here? It's going to be noisy. No box inside this time. So let me just move this because I want to get the manual. Look at this. A few stickers, and of course a big one for the plate for the display or the stand. So nice stickers. And we have the book here. Look at the nice graphics, and look at how thick this is. This is 360, about 360 pages. And look at that. It's mainly black, as you can see. A few yellow and beige parts, but it's mainly black. And let me see at the beginning here, 12 bags. There is a stand like we saw. Oh yes, and they do show a little of a story about this Batwing. And look at that, they show some features here. And what else do we have? We have the designer here, Adam Grabowski. Not sure I pronounce his name correctly. Sorry, Adam, if you're watching this video. And here we have, it's three languages, by the way: English, French, and Spanish. The one of the iconic scenes here when the Batwing is attacking the Joker, and the Joker takes it down with one shot with his super long revolver or a handgun, which is kind of funny. And it starts here on page 17. Wow, very, very nice graphics and nice stickers. And guys, look at that. Like I said, mainly black. I have to time my talking to my moving. A few yellow pieces, as you can see. Oh, a lot of Technic parts. Look at that. Technic beams. We have a lot of them. We have here I think this is a rope in this little, usually it is, in this little white box. I think this is a rope. We have the pins. Again, a lot of technique. Look at that. Technique blue pins. And like I said before, we have 12 bags. And a few pieces are pink. Look at that. A few pink pieces here. Okay, well guys, I'm going to assemble this thing. And like I said, 2,363 parts. And what do I see here? Part of the, not the Joker, but this is his assistant here with the Joker pin on his jacket. This is the cockpit here. Look at that, the cockpit of the, again, a ship or an aircraft. So I'm going to put this together, and I'll show you all the details in a second video once this is all built. And I am guessing that Lego paid attention to the scale. I think that with the Batmobile, the scale is going to match with this Batwing. I think so. So let's hope. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye guys.